Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change or customize time sticker on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. For my Instagram story, I'm going to upload an image from my device or just take a new image with the Instagram camera. I'm going to click on your story, and I think I'm going to take a picture with the Instagram camera. Okay, just like this guys. And then I'm going to put time sticker on this Instagram story. So I'm going to go to the sticker menu, and then I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to select the time sticker. Okay, and now the time sticker has been added to my Instagram story, and I'm going to show you how we can customize the sticker. I'm going to just tap on the sticker like this to change it. Okay, you just need to select the time sticker that you like, and for me I prefer this one guys. And we can zoom in or zoom out like this, and you can place the sticker to any part of your Instagram story. And I'm going to place it right here. And then once you're ready to share this Instagram story, you just need to click on your story. Okay, that's easy, right? And then just remember guys that this time sticker can only be added to the image which contain time on it. For example, if I take a picture with Instagram, the time sticker will be automatically added right here. You'll be able to add the time sticker to your Instagram story if you take picture with Instagram camera. But if you upload an image from your gallery, make sure the image contains time on it. For example, I'm going to upload this image, and let's see we'll get the time sticker or not. Okay, I got the time sticker right here because this image contains time. But I'm going to show you another image. For instance, this one. Okay, I'm going to see that. As you can see that there is no time sticker because this image doesn't contain time on it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change time sticker on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.